Unlocking everyday English. See you next time. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a phrase you've likely heard or used yourself. See you next time. It's a common saying, but do you know what it truly means and when to use it? Stick around as we unpack everything you need to know about this friendly farewell. At first glance, see you next time seems straightforward. It's a way of saying goodbye. But let's break it down further. This phrase is more than just a simple farewell. It carries the implication of future interaction. It's an optimistic way of parting, suggesting that there will indeed be a next time when you and the person you're speaking to will meet again. It's casual, yet full of warmth and the promise of continuity in a relationship, whether personal or professional. See you next time is versatile, fitting seamlessly into many contexts. Here are a few scenarios where it's perfectly appropriate. Casual encounters, meeting friends, after a class, or a casual meetup. Professional settings, at the end of a work meeting or a conference, indicating you look forward to future interactions. Educational environments. Teachers might say this to students, suggesting continuity in learning and interaction. It's a phrase that bridges today with the future, making it ideal for nearly any situation where you intend to see the person again. Its tone is casual and friendly, making it less formal than some other parting phrases but still heartfelt. To add variety to your conversations, here are a few alternatives. Catch you later, even more casual, great for friends. Till next time, a slight variation, equally casual and warm. See you soon implies a sooner reunion than see you next time. Looking forward to our next meeting, more formal, ideal for professional settings. Each of these variations adjusts the tone slightly, allowing you to match the phrase to the context, relationship, and level of formality of your interaction. See you next time is a phrase rich with anticipation and warmth, perfect for parting ways while looking forward to future encounters. It's simple yet powerful, capable of turning a routine goodbye into a moment of connection and promise. We hope this exploration helps you use it more confidently in your English conversations. Thank you for joining us today, and yes, we'll see you next time.